bit of some kind of storm gonna be happening over here in Virginia. The wind is really, really hard, and look at the trees swing. Sky is really dark. I've never seen weather like this before. But we're supposed to, it's supposed to be like 95 degrees today. But I've never ever seen our clouds and stuff like this before. This is very eerie. But it feels so good out here in all the rain. Look at it. Just look at that. Look at the tree. Sirens going, police cars going, all kinds of stuff happening. I've got to pick up some of my tomato plants. They have gotten so big. So big. I'm just walking around and I figured I'd come and harvest my wonderful watermelon because I think it is ready. Let's double check the tassel here. It looks brown. See how brown it looks? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this watermelon off. Let's harvest this watermelon. Let's detach it. There we go. It's been detached. And now I've got a beautiful watermelon. Look at that. Under this very weird and cloudy sky. Look at that. That's okay. Even though it's a weird and cloudy and dark day, I got a watermelon. Now let's take this one board. Well, I guess I need that board, so this one should be able to grow bigger now. Grow. And let's go see. I moved all my... Look at the trees, how the trees and stuff are moving like all over the place. But it's pretty cool though to be out here. And it's all this beautiful... You have like a thunderstorm. So cool. Hear the thunder? Even my okra and stuff is blowing in the wind. Oh, let's check and see if we have any okra. Let's see. The leaves and stuff blowing around. It just feels so good out here. Feels so good. Alright, let's check and see if we have any okra. This one has a lot on there, but it's not ready yet. Let's see. Don't break my okra, wind. Don't break my okra. Woo! Hold on, okra. Don't let the wind take you. I hope I staked you up hard enough to where you can withstand this. Oh, there's one right here. Let's get this one. You see this one right here? Got one here. I gotta move my okra sign. It's getting buried in there. Let's see, what else? Any on the red okra? Nope. I hear the thunder. I don't have any more bell peppers. I'm gonna have an okra flower. This one looks good, but it's not ready yet. I'll let that get a little bit bigger. Little bigger. But I'm so excited about my watermelon. Watermelon! I hope it's real good inside. Woohoo! Let's go and put this one up on the table. Up on the table. Gotta do something with my sweet mint that I brought. And the parsley over here. I think I better put them, I'll put them in this bag over here until this weather subsides. I don't want them to be blown around. So we'll just stick those in here too. Protect my little sweet mint. Alright guys, I just wanted to come out here so we could harvest this wonderful okra and my watermelon. And to show you what a beautiful sight Miss Renee sees every day when I come out into my yard. Alright guys, I will keep you updated on this storm that is about to unleash its beautiful Mother Nature's miracle water onto my garden. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and I'll leave you with looking at this beautiful lantana plant. Alright guys, take care. Guys, it's your girl Renee, and I just finished harvesting my watermelon outside. Here it is. Oh, I got my first icebox watermelon. Look at it. It's so big. Look, I can put 2 hands on it. And I waited and waited till the little little curly part was all nice and brown. And it is so heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. I'm so excited. My first watermelon of the season. Take a good look at it. Has some little bruises, but I think that's where it was sitting on that piece of wood, and I put it on that wood so it wouldn't touch the ground and get all molded and get all bruised. But look, overall, it's a good looking watermelon. Isn't it nice? Nice shape and everything. So pleased. So what I'm gonna do is we are going to cut this watermelon and we are going to see what the inside of it looks like. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited, and I hope that it looks good in the inside and it tastes good in the inside. All right, let's get it going, you guys. Let's cut open this watermelon and see how Renee did. All right, here we go. Let me bring you all down so you can see what I see. Alright, put it on my cutting board. Got my trusty knife. Alright, watermelon, I'm going to rub you for good luck. Give me some good watermelon. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my goodness, see all the liquid that's coming out of that watermelon? Hope it's a nice size on the inside. Finish cutting it. It's pouring liquid out of there. Look at it. Look at the inside. It's nice and red. Let me get something to wipe up all this liquid. Let's get rid of all these good juices. Get it? Let's finish cutting it. It has some juices in here. And I'm going to keep these seeds so I don't have to be buying no more seeds for next year. Alright, let's see, it has good seeds and everything in there. Let's put these seeds out of here. So I keep them. Let's have a taste. This is nice and sweet. Oh yeah. This looks really, really good, and it tastes so good. Got good coloring. I don't know if you can see. Let me bring you up. Look, it has good coloring and everything. Look at the juice. Just pouring off of that bad boy. Just dripping. It tastes really good. Really, really good. I'm so proud of myself. First watermelon down. Yeah. Woo woo. Alright. I just wanted to have you include you guys on the cutting and the tasting of Miss Renee's first watermelon, icebox watermelon of the season. I have 2 more in my garden growing, so woohoo! Look for that pigtail. Once it gets curly and turns brown, it's time to reap the benefits. This tastes really good. So juicy. Really good. Alright guys, I just wanted to share this wonderful experience with my gardening family. Alright, hope you're having a wonderful day, and I hope you're just relaxing and staying out of the heat, because it is no joke here in Virginia today. So this makes it just a little bit better. Alright guys, take care.